The question is a man walks 30 meter towards north, then 20 meter towards east, and in the last 30 square root 2 meter towards southwest. The displacement from origin is option 1 10 meter towards west, 10 meter towards east, 60 root 2 meter towards north, 60 root 2 meter towards east north. Well, this problem can be easily solved if we assume, say, this is the north direction and it coincides with, say, y axis, okay, on our coordinate frame, that is z direction, y, okay, that is x. We can uh, say this is I direction also, okay, that is east. Now you see in the question it is given that 30 meter towards north, okay. It means we can say that first the person goes in this direction, then that is 30, then 20 meter towards east, it means he goes in this direction. Well, then 30 root 2 meter towards southwest, okay, then he comes in this direction, okay, southwest, that is the direction, okay, because that will be the west, that is the south, okay, and as it is said that southwest, so this angle also will be 45 degree. Well, and the value of this is 30 root 2. There are basically three vectors, that is S1, that is S2, and that is S3, okay. So total displacement is nothing but we can say 30 z cap. Why? Because it is going along north direction and north direction is taken as j. Then 20 I cap because it is going along east and east is taken as I. But we have to break this vector into components, okay, 30 root 2. So for that what we do, as it is 30 root 2, so it will have two components along this and another component along this, okay. So it is 45 degree, so it means this component is 30 root 2 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 only, root 2 got cancelled, so it is nothing but 30, and as it is towards west, so we can directly write minus 30 I cap. Exactly that way this also will be 30 root 2 sin 45, it means that is also 30 only, so minus 30 j cap. Why minus? Because it is downward and I have taken positive in upward. So altogether I am going to get that is 30j cancel, so minus 30 plus 20 is nothing but minus 10 only, so minus 10 I cap. So I cap is east, so minus 10 I cap means west. So that is the answer.